Hello, Mr. Gilman here again. This box of bluebirds is the one closest to the music trailer where the walkway is, and these were our first eggs that we got from the year. I sent We had pictures on the news, and all five of these eggs hatched, and you can see there are five gigantic birds in there ready. There we call them fledglings because these bluebirds are getting ready to leave the nest. And if you can see their eyes, it's kind of hard to do, but if you see their eyes when they get a ring, they kind of get a ring around their eyes, and that means they are ready to fledge. So these birds, probably by the next time I check it, these birds will be have fledged the box or left the box. So they don't look much like bluebirds, but when they open up their wings, that's when you see the beautiful blue plumage from the feathers. So that's kind of exciting. So in that little tiny box, they have five pretty big bluebirds just living life. There you go. Bye for now.